I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Elsia. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you do not miss an upload, girl. Make sure you like this video as well. Comment down below, I'm sorry, what you loved the most about this video. And just to get straight to the point, your girl is on a cleaning spree, and when I get into this cleaning spree, girl, I am on a mission. Okay, there's like no stopping me. This is just like one of my mini cleaning days when I'm doing a little bit of a laundry and I'm doing some vacuuming and some wiping things down, getting some dust off of some things. I can't talk, oh my gosh. But this is just what I like to do when I need to really get my mind going, and just on one of my cleaning days. You know, cleaning is very therapeutic for me, and I just love to clean when I have a lot on my mind. I'm sure a lot of you guys can definitely relate. So yeah. But just to give you an FYI, listen, when I clean, I am all over the place. Like I could start in the kitchen and then end up starting to do something in the bathroom. So there is no legit order to this. I am just literally cleaning as I go, picking things up, you know, fluffing, doing a little vacuuming here and there. So yeah, so this is literally my cleaning routine, and this is just one of my simple, basic, you know, Friday morning type of thing, or you know, just a regular routine, nothing crazy. But like I said, thank you guys for watching this video. Just vibe out, listen to the music, enjoy the vibes. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and do not forget to hit that notification bell. I'll probably check in again or pop in, but in the meantime, enjoy.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else does me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love.
street.